Alright, hi guys. I am back for another YouTube video. It's been a while. I have been working my ass off. For those of you who do not know, I work at my boyfriend's work called dejavumodelz. It is a family-owned company and it's like an Italian restaurant almost, but we do have kiosks in the mall. And we sell gelato and coffee and amazing stuff. Let's get going with this makeup video. Today I'm going to be doing like pumpkin patch kind of makeup. So I will be doing my full face like I usually do, and then in return I hate doing it because my face breaks out. And then I'm like, oh, why did I do that? I hate myself. So yeah. I'm gonna take this beauty blender that I just got wet and it's still dirty. Now I'm going to take the Revlon Color Stay makeup in 110 Ivory because I'm white as shit. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna squirt it on my hand. So a lot of you don't know this, but like I'm a model and I've been working my butt off in that area too, trying to get modeling agencies or management because I have none. And currently, well, yesterday I got scouted by a company called dejavumodelz. So I'm taking this very, 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 very seriously, and this is like my dream job along with makeup because I love makeup and you can express yourself in so many ways, and yeah, it's just great. Gotta go in with another one of these squirt things. And oh, we moved. Luke and I moved. We got a nice apartment. Jeez, I can't talk right now. I drank too much coffee this morning already. It's been good. It's a little small, but it's always the first apartment or first house. It's going to be small, and you just gotta deal with it. I love it. It's like so cozy for me, and he hates it. It's too small for him. But I mean, he had like a big apartment and big places before this, so I understand why it's a huge shift for him, and I see why he doesn't really like it. But I mean, it's not gonna be that great until we get money rolling in, and like that's what I'm trying to do. That's what we're both trying to do. We're grinding this shit, and we're like trying our hardest with everything, because I've been getting a lot of people that are asking me, why haven't you been doing any videos? Why are you not uploading? What's going on? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. It's just been a lot. And like when you work 24/7, you literally can't, I mean you can, I'm just making an excuse, because I don't want to come home from work, have to film a video at like 7 at night and then not wear this makeup out. Going in with the Revlon Color Stay in the shade 820 Light and Pale because I'm light as shit once again. Going in with this really fluffy brush because I love it. And yeah, just do that. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning, and I told myself last night I was gonna do this video, and I didn't because I was too tired. And that's what work's been doing to me lately. I've just been way too tired to do anything. And currently I was in the hospital because of my asthma, and that's been tiring me out as well. I don't know. The weather changing and everything else, it's just taking a toll on my body. I'm glad that I'm having these opportunities that I do because a lot of people don't get to have this, and I'm very, very thankful that I have the amount of stuff that I do now, and like the people that I have around me, I'm very, very thankful for. I know I don't treat them the best sometimes, but that's when I'm under stress, and I feel horrible because those people don't deserve that. And sometimes it's my boyfriend, and I feel horrible. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and do my contour. I'm getting lit for a minute. So I'm lightly carving out my cheeks, cheekbones. Cool, cool, cool. I'm ready for fall. Obviously. I'm ready for the cold again. Although, when the cold comes, I'm gonna be like, where's summer? But this is honestly my favorite time of the year because I get to do so much fashion shit and like choose outfits that, oh my god, it's dark, that don't really look that great in the summer because you don't really wear a lot. And in the winter, you wear a shit ton of shit. Oh yeah, and we got a dog. His name is Bruno. He is a pit bull mixed with a boxer, and having him is amazing. I love this guy. I got him, well, my dad bought him for us for a housewarming gift, and mainly I wanted him because Luke really wanted this guy, and he's been wanting a pug boxer, and like his dream dog is also a pit bull. So I was like, hey, we should get him, and I said, yeah, I like him, but I liked him because Luke liked him, and like the more that I spend time with this dude, like, what's not to love about him? There's so much to love about him. He's just a great dog. And like, I don't know, usually 1-year-olds are not this calm. Like, he's just laying here while I do my makeup. Luke, it's completely different. It's the opposite. Luke riles him up and then plays and jumps on him, and like, I don't do that. I don't have that effect with Bruno. I just calm him down and we just chill. I've been so focused with working Divino that I haven't been doing the stuff that I started in the first place. And sometimes it really gets to me because I know that you guys are always waiting on a new thing from me, and I don't really put it out all the time, and I feel bad. So I'm gonna take this brush from e.l.f. It's a highlighting brush. Taking the strobe highlighter like I usually do in Everglow Lights. It's like this color and it's really pretty on the skin. I don't know if it's gonna look right with this makeup that I'm doing, but let's hope it does. I'm gonna spray it with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro a few times. I should really get some new brushes because these are just ugh. He's almost as tall as I am, and I'm 5'3". And you're a big boy. And he has hiccups. And it's funny because he always gets the hiccups. What are you guys gonna be for Halloween? And do you already have your costume? Put it down below with the comments. I don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween. Luke and I are going out of town for the weekend. Cupid's bow. Gary Vaynerchuk. Sorry if I'm saying his name, but my boyfriend told me about him, and ever since then, like, I've been so focused, and I've been so more invested with time, not like I already haven't been, but I understand more. I'm gonna do this little thing, and then I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows because I probably have a lot of product in there. Go in with the Morphe 350 palette. I remember when I bought this. Actually, I think Luke bought this from me. I don't know. Light color first. Translucent almost. Not put in my coffee. So I'm either going to go in with, yeah, this color, or this one. I'm going in with this one. Hopefully it's not too much. Whatever it is. Oh, I was talking about Gary. Okay, so basically this Gary guy is a motivational speaker, and he tells you to stop wasting your time and like get what you want done. And obviously that's what I've been trying to do. But when you work in a mall and it's really dead until the kids get out of school or until people get out of work, maybe even at lunchtime, it might get busy. There's like nothing to do when you have the whole kiosk clean and everything looking nice. Like there's literally nothing to do. So I just go on my phone and watch Gary's videos. And like I've learned a lot from him so far, just watching his videos the past 3 days. It's been really interesting. I really like the color. I like the change, and I like the person that is coming out. If it really wasn't for Luke, I would still be in my shell. Or Megan, because she, oh my god, this girl is so fucking amazing. And she brought me out of the place I was during my high school years. I was so depressed, and there was so much going on with the person that I was dating at the time, and it was just horrible. Like I didn't even know who I was when I was dating him. And now that I'm not, obviously, and I'm dating somebody else that's amazing and bringing the person who I was out when I was a kid is just life-changing, and it's just so great. And his family is just great too. Like they help a lot. And I don't know how to explain it, but I'm getting this black eyeshadow all over the place. It's Maybelline New York Night Sky, and it's really I'm gonna take this. I don't want to ruin the orange, but it's still because it's so pretty, and like just do like a dab of black, because black goes a long way and you don't want to ruin the entire look. So I'm gonna put it on the outside and then bring it into my crease like that, and then just leave it there. Go in with another little dab of the black, put that away so I don't get it anywhere else. Do the same thing with the other side. See how much that is already? And then I'm gonna bring it into the crease again. I'm gonna blend it out into my crease just to make it look a little okay. And I'm not gonna go all the way in. I might bring it down a little bit just to smoke it out. Like that. I was gonna go with my mom up to Menominee Falls, but I was like, I need to do this, and I need to get this shit done, because I told myself yesterday I was going to do it and I never did it. Instead, I fell asleep on the couch. I'm not in the mood to do like eyeliner, but I do need to go back in with some kind of highlight for the inner corner of my eyes, because it's not popping enough. I'll just do the strobe highlighter that I did. little brush right here. It's called Eco Tools, one of my favorite brushes. Again, with the BH Cosmetic Studio. Spray it. Go in with the strobe highlighter if I can get any of it on here. Okay, got it. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to go in with my mascara. Yeah. And then I'm going to set my face with the BH Cosmetics Studio. I'm going in with Colossal Spider Effect Waterproof. And I'm just going to be doing my upper lashes. I'm not going to be doing any mascara on my lower. And there's the finished product. It's cute. I love it. I was going to use this stuff. Bad gal. But that's not waterproof. So. It will not focus, so. I got it on my lips. And it's gonna taste disgusting. Finished product. It's an orange smoky eye thing for Halloween. And it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Just because I thought of it before I actually filmed. I wasn't like, what am I gonna do? So, I hope you guys like it. I hope you try this orange smoky eye for Halloween out. Give me suggestions on what you want to see next. And I will do the best I can for whatever it is. Yeah, give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And check out my modeling page on Instagram. I will post it down below in the comments. Or not in the comments, but the description. So try this out at home. Send me pictures of how yours looks different from mine, or if it looks similar. Have a nice day, guys, and or night. Say goodbye to Bruno. He's being a little lazy pup. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys later.